everyone. We're at Bourton-on-the-Water this weekend, so you can't really come here without visiting the Hawkstone Brewery, so let's go and have a look. And there's the mural. And I believe they brought out a new cider, so let's go and have a look at it. I may have to buy a couple of cans of it, but we'll see. Here at the Hawkstone Arms at the Hawkstone Brewery. We've just had a half of the new St Rawberry cider. It went down way too quick. We're going to head over to the Farmer's Dog and get a few cans for the van. Well, we've made it to the Farmer's Dog. Let's go into the shop. Well, we We've got here at Diddley Squat Farm shop and we thought we'd go and have a look around, but if you look at it, the queue goes all the way around there, all the way around there, right to the very end. So we decided not to, and we'll go and get a drink and some food somewhere else. So we've made it to Bourton-on-the-Water and it is absolutely heaving.
It's nice, isn't it?
Just waiting to get across. It's not a bad sight for a summer's day, is it? There's a shop built for me, isn't it?
Oh, candy.
Okay. It's definitely busy down here and it is absolutely sweltering. So I'm going to keep an eye on Lena to make sure she doesn't burn the holes. But it's not too bad in the shade, so I'll wander down. Got nothing quirky here. Can dogs come in? If not, we'll be hiding underneath the Hartwell's ironmongers. There we go. People tolerated. Oh, it's cool.
Maybe on this side of the window.
That's cool. It's got some Cotswolds on it. Yeah, that'd be so legal, wouldn't it? We need something like that in the van for the keys. Like a big sign arrow pointing, keys are here. Okay. Yeah. Oh, I'll just stay here. This whole area is very Cornwall-esque, the house we stayed in, isn't it?
I just don't want to break it anything.
Yeah, I know. That's nice, yeah. Look at these.
Yeah.
Oh, look. It's very similar to the one you've got, isn't it? Yeah, same style.
Over here.
No, it's people.
Head over the other side and pop ones down near the museum. It's nice and shaded over there for her, isn't it? It's nice and shaded. Oh, there's a little bit she might go in, darling. There. See if she'll get wet. It's very shallow there. Will Luna go in the water? Got it. You can take your shoes off.
Limpa direitinho.
Is that a no? Just took a nose in, that was it. Head up this way. Was that just a no? Yeah, I'm going to. Let go. Come on. Come on. Bakery on the water.
Where are we going?
This way. I don't think so. I didn't know Brum was filmed here. Oh yeah.
Wow.
Need to get her on screen for dogs.
Yeah. I think it's him. Oh look, I think it's here. Hiya. Can I have a doggy one, please?
Dog you want a pushkin? I'm assuming it's for the dog and not yourself.
It is.
It's £3.50. Also, the chap come, he was adamant he wanted a dog ice cream. And I couldn't see a dog, but I sold him that anyone. And he's walked away, he's eating his dog ice cream with a spoon. I thought,
Fair enough.
each to their own, I suppose.
Yep.
Is that ready? It's £3.50. Great, thank you.
Thank you very much.
For you. Thank you.
What's this? What's this? Yeah, she knows what that is. So that's us back at the campsite now. We're staying at Bourton-on-the-Water Caravan and Motorhome Club site. It's 25 quid a night. It's a basic site, so it's got electrical cut, but there's no toilets or showers. It does have water, does have Elson points, so as long as you're self-contained in your van like we are, you're fine. It is also a very good jumping off point for most of the Cotswolds, so we're about 5 or 6 miles just outside of Bourton-on-the-Water. Diddley Squat Farm is about 10-15 minutes away. Hawkstone Brewery is about 5-10 minutes away, so it's a good little central location. But I think we're going to call it a night now. We're just a little bit too warm, and we're toying with the idea of going home and watching the football and see if England get through to the next round or not. But yeah, this is the site. It's a nice little site. I think it's got about 50 pitches on it. It was absolutely heaving. There is not a single pitch left when we booked on Friday. And this is our little setup for the evening. This is how we've been set up all weekend. My only thing is a couple of pitches. Most of the pitches are flat, but the one we're on is not. As you can see, we've got the blocks out, but it's easy enough. And especially down here, it's nice and quiet. The only issue is each TV reception down here and the Wi-Fi. They do have free Wi-Fi on site, but it doesn't just reach here. But we've got Wi-Fi in the van, so that's not really a problem for us. Anyway, next one I think we're doing is Black Rock Sounds with the family. So we'll get a few videos from there. Then we're at Galley Whips meetup. And then I think it's Two Seats Forwards meetup at Cannock. So we'll see you soon. Like and subscribe. Thanks very much. Bye.
I'm in my belly shining bright, diamonds dancing in the night, Ferrari parked under moonlight, living fast but feeling right. My bed wave, champagne rain, golden order, no more pain. Every second ultra prime, luxury written in time.